Salam everyone, welcome to the series where we try to learn how to understand the Quran in a quick way where we don't delve too deep into the Arabic language. If you are new to this channel, I do suggest you watch at least up to lesson 5 as that will give you the basics and then you can join from the current video. There will be 2 new videos a week, so make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with these lessons. You will be surprised at how well my students can understand the meaning of the Quran, alhamdulillah, after just a few months of doing this only twice a week, and I'm sure you will be able to as well, regardless of what your background is or what language you speak. So if that sounds like something you want to do, please keep watching and do subscribe because consistency is key at this point. So it would really help you to do these videos as they come out. So please keep watching. Salam.
MashaAllah, you guys are like building a really good vocabulary now.
So
Okay.
happy. I really see the difference from like now, like between now and then. It's like, yeah, alhamdulillah.
I totally see a difference as well.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, 67. Is it you, Badavan?
Okay. I think it was me, right? Yeah. Okay. مستكبرين به سامرا تهجرون. Okay. Takbiri, like akbar, like something great, like kibir. It comes from kibir.
Yeah.
So Okay, so mustakbirina, when it's ina, un, is like, is it the same? Would it be the, when you have the group of people, it's un. Is it the same with reen?
Both, yeah.
Okay. So those who are kibir, bihi with it, or bihi samira. No, that's not Samir.
You have done this, so don't worry.
Samira. I've heard like the name Samir,
No.
but I don't know what it means.
This isn't a positive word in this context, so.
Oh, okay. Samira. Okay, I don't know what that means, but tahjurun.
Yeah.
Hajar. What? Wait a minute. Hajar.
Oh, I don't.
Hajar.
That's
sorry.
Actually, what you just said, like Hajar.
Yes, like I was thinking about the name Hajar.
Yeah, which means. Well, let's see. Hajar Aswad. So Hajar. Oh God. It says here it means an afternoon. And name of the, so maybe it's not like
Hajar Aswad.
Yeah, but I don't know. So here it's like it means at night. Tahjurun.
Okay. So Hajara means night.
Or tahjurun means like at night or when you're in the night. Let me double check.
At night. Okay.
Tahjurun. I think
But
this
what's
is poetic kind of verse because I usually only remember the meaning itself rather than the words. So mustakbirina bihi samiran tahjurun, I always remembered it means something like, you're so arrogant in it and sort of babbling nonsense. Samiran tahjurun, at night. Yeah, and they don't about the Quran basically, like it's all basically linked, right? So they like when our punishment will seize them, they start to cry for help, and then they will be told, don't cry about help today, you won't receive any help, and verily my signs were recited onto you and you turned away in disgust, and you were arrogant, being arrogant about it and speaking evil at night. Samiran tahjurun. I'm just trying to see.
Samiran, is it the
Maybe
same?
Samiran is like the night, and then tahjurun is the
Samran. Wait, I'm
I'm just wondering because the tahjurun seems to be like from the same root as like like muhajirun, like those who
yeah,
emigrate.
yeah.
But I don't really know then like what's because it doesn't seem to mean the same thing though. Yeah.
Yeah, because here it's like it's saying
speaking
speaking
evil.
evil, but Samir.
There was another word for speaking evil as well. Um, with the mu'aridun, they're turning away from the evil speech.
Laru, laru.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I remember the
For
line. I was
the
like,
actual verses, mashallah. That's what happens. I've noticed it a lot. So yeah, this one we're just gonna leave as is because it's like it's a phrase very rare, and I feel like it's like a poetic one, so it's hard to understand what it's linked to and what I think it's
okay.
using words where it implies meaning rather than literal meaning. I think it's more of a poetic one. Okay, Awa, your turn.
Okay.
أفلم يدبروا القرآن أفلا يدبروا القول أم جاءهم ما لم يأتي آباءهم الأولين. أفلم, that's a question. يدبروا القول. يدبروا is to like okay, لم أفلا.
So afalam, do you remember what afalam is like? Or afala?
Well, so lam is like did not.
No.
So afalam, like did they not?
Exactly, perfect. Because
يدبروا.
so I'm just gonna write that down. Afalam is like from and then fa is so. Is the question bit.
Yeah,
Lam
lam is did
is
not.
the no bit. So do they not? Afalam.
Yeah.
Yadabbaru.
Okay. أفلم يدبروا. It's like to do tadabbur, which is to like reflect or ponder.
Very good.
القول, the word.
Mhm.
Or جاءهم ما لم
Here it's both or and
Hmm?
also like a question.
Yeah. Okay. Or yeah, sort of like or, but as a question, right? Like, is it that this or that جاءهم came to them ما لم يأتي, what did not come to their fathers or their forefathers from before. Yeah.
So very good. So it's like it can mean both things, like or has there come to them something that didn't come to their forefathers, malam yatim, or it can also mean is it because there has come to them something that their forefathers didn't receive. It depends on like
Okay.
which forefathers are being spoken to. Because if you think about Quraysh, okay, no prophet was sent to them. But then if you think about their ancestors, they must have had prophets.
So I'm confused. Is it saying that it's because something came to them that didn't come to their forefathers, or like which
Yes,
bit is
it's
the negation?
questioning. It's questioning them like, why did they not believe it? Didn't they think? Didn't they ponder on the word?
Yeah.
Or was it because this was something that their forefathers had never seen?
Yeah.
Then the next verse also asks the same like another question of why they're not being believed. So Berban, you go.
Okay. Lam. So what was the lam?
Sorry, what was lam?
Lam, yeah.
Lam
Did
was
not.
from like lam yalid wa lam yulad.
I think it means did not usually.
Did not. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay.
Or no, it's
so,
like it's like la. It's very similar to la. Lam and la.
Okay, so or not, something with not.
Hmm.
Did not or did not. يعرفون. عرف. عرف. Is it okay? I don't know why I have this image when I say عرف, like something with understanding,
Yeah.
like
No, it means
or
recognizing.
comprehending.
Yeah. Knowing,
Okay, oh, alhamdulillah.
recognizing, comprehending. Yeah.
عرف. Okay,
Seeing
so
something
or
like, yeah, basically recognizing something and also realizing something.
okay, tamam.
Lots of words, meanings.
Okay, great. Okay, perfect. So or they don't recognize, or yeah, that kind of thing. رسولهم, their Rasul, their messenger. فهم, so they, له منكرون, so they for it, or so they
Of him.
munkirun, so they something for it, like
For him.
nakira,
Nakir.
nukira.
Munkar is evil.
Nakir is like Nakir.
Munkir, no, is it okay? Is it with the munkir?
What do you mean?
Is it nakir or munkir?
Here it's munkirun. So nakir here it means denial, it says.
So they denied it, basically.
Him, yeah. So lahum.
Or him, yeah. The Rasul, yeah, the messenger, yeah.
So lam ya'rifu Rasul.
Oh,
So it's the same, like more questions. So is it because their forefathers didn't get it, or is it because they didn't recognize their messenger and denied
yeah.
him?
So,
But like, as in they failed to recognize that he was the messenger, or they failed to recognize that he was one of them.
yeah, okay.
And so nakir, we can write that is also belying. Now we have so many words for belying and or denial. So yukadhibun, right?
Yeah.
Yukadhibun, and then
But
munkir.
when you put the me, like munkarin.
Yeah, munkirun as in the deniers.
Okay.
Hum lahu munkirun basically means they. Fahum is they. Lahu
Yeah.
is this who that you were saying is it, or it could refer to he. So this is referring to the messenger.
Yeah.
So they of the messenger are deniers. That's
Yeah.
munkirun.
Yeah, Tom.
Again, it's like poetic, and it's to
Yeah.
Right, so that's it for this lesson. Keep revising, stay subscribed, keep watching these videos regularly, and you will get there, inshallah. And as always, please leave me feedback on how you're finding these videos and if you'd like me to do anything differently. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.